Hello traders! Today we are going to review the MM Flip CodePro EA. This EA is currently one of the best EAs available in the Forex market. If we take a look at the account history of this EA, it has been running from October 15th, 2025 to October 20th, 2025. And within just 5 days, it has made a profit of 115.72. According to the MyFX book data, this EA has achieved a gain of plus 394.99200. Deposit has turned into a $790 profit. You can get this EA by visiting our website as shown on the screen. Simply go to the website and you'll be able to download this EA. If you have any thoughts about the video, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy trading and have a great day!